is Tax Tip Tuesday. Today we are joined by Walter Kenny with Porter Kenny. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming in.
Yeah, thank you.
So we are talking about charitable donations today. So first of all, what is the biggest myth when it comes to donations?
Sure. So there's a few things right now. There's some questions about whether charitable donations would still be available in 2018.
Right.
They are definitely still available going forward. And so I think some of the biggest myths or misunderstandings might be the different ways that you can create deductions, or that you have to give a ton of money for it to impact your taxes.
Right.
In reality, there's a few different ways to create a charitable donation deduction.
Okay.
Of course, you can give cash to the charity you'd like to support. There's also non-cash charitable donations, which can add up to be quite a bit. And that's usually, you get done with the yard sale, or you're cleaning out the garage in the spring and you take a truckload of stuff to Goodwill.
Right.
You want to keep a little bit of a record of what you're taking down there, and that can add up to a large non-cash charitable donation. And then a third kind of really savvy way to kind of get a double benefit is you can donate like an appreciated stock to a charity that you want to support.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so let's say you're a savvy investor and 20 years ago you bought some Microsoft stock that's gone up in value a whole bunch, and if you sell it you're going to have a big taxable gain. Well, you can actually donate that stock directly to a charity, get a deduction for its full value, not pay any taxes, and the charity, as a nonprofit, they can sell it, use that proceeds for what they need it for. And so you get a double benefit and the charity comes out ahead, and so it can be a nice little maneuver there.
So how do you know that you're doing all of this correctly? Because it kind of sounds complicated.
Yeah. Well, of course, you work with an established charity. They should have a good process to give you a nice documentation to help support it.
Right.
And then, of course, if you ever have a concern, just speak with your CPA. They can make sure you're filling out the right forms and getting full benefit for the donations you made.
All right. And then keep the receipts. Got to keep the records, right?
Yeah, keep those receipts. That's right.
Definitely. Well, thank you for the advice this morning.
Thank you.